Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 222 to the power of x plus 222 to the power of 2x is equal to 222 to the power of 3x. So, obviously, I want to find the value of x here. So, for my solution, I'm going to first start by dividing 222 to the power of 3x for every term. So, for my right-hand side, these two automatically cancel out, and I'm left with 222 to the power of x over 222 to the power of 3x plus 222 to the power of 2x over 222 to the power of 3x is equal to 1. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of m minus n. And a to the power of m minus n is the same thing as 1 over a to the power of n minus m. So 222 to the power of x over 222 to the power of 3x, I can rewrite that as 1 over 222 to the power of 3x minus x. And I'm going to do the same thing for 222 to the power of 2x over 222 to the power of 3x. So this turns into 1 over 222 to the power of 3x minus 2x. Now 3x minus x is 2x, so I get 1 over 222 to the power of 2x plus 1 over 222 to the power of x is equal to 1. Now, for 1 over 222 to the power of 2x, 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. And because both of these have exponents of 2, I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over 220 to the power of x to the power of 2. Now I have this plus 1 over 222 to the power of x is equal to 1. Now I'm going to let 1 over 222 to the power of x equal to the variable y. So if I substitute in y, I get y squared plus y is equal to 1. And to solve this quadratic equation, I can use the quadratic formula. And before that, I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. So I have y squared plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And now, I can use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So a is 1, b is 1, and c is negative 1. And I get y is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 1. And I have all this over 2a, so 2 times 1. And now I'm going to simplify this. So this turns into negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4 over 2, which is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. Now remember how y is equal to 1 over 222 to the power of x. And this is the value of y. We actually have two values of y. So I'm going to write my two equations over here. I have negative 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 is equal to 1 over 222 to the power of x. And negative 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2 is equal to 1 over 222 to the power of x. So if we look at my right-hand side, I have -1 minus the square root of 5, which over 2, which is a negative number, meaning it's less than 0. And you can't take the power of an exponent, a positive number, and make it equal to a negative number, meaning there's no solution for my right-hand side and it's rejected. My left-hand side, however, we can find a solution to this. So to solve this, I'm going to first rewrite 222 to the power of x as 222 to the power of negative x. So I have this is equal to -1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And now I'm going to take the log base of 222 on both sides. So now I can move negative x to the front, because if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move b to the front. So this turns into b times log a. So now I have negative x times log 222 of 222 is equal to log base 222 of -1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And now, another property of logarithms, if I have something in the form log base a of a, this is 1. So, the value of log base 222 of 222 is 1, meaning I have negative x is equal to log base 222 of -1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And this means that x is equal to negative log base 222 of -1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. So now I'm actually going to simplify this a little bit, so we're not done yet. What I'm going to do is rewrite this as negative log, I'm going to rewrite this as positive log base 222 of the square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 to the power of -1. And that means this is the same thing as log base 222 of 2 over the square root of 5 minus 1 to the power of +1. So this is my answer.